Example 8, we're going to use the chain rule twice. So if f of x is equal to the sine times the cosine times the tangent of x, then we're going to get the following. So the first step is we want to find f prime of x. Now f prime of x is taking the derivative with respect to x of this function sine times the cosine times the tangent of x. So when we take the derivative of this function, we're going to take the derivative of the outside first. So that means that we're going to take the derivative of the outer one first. So what we have is f prime of x, which is going to equal, now this is going to become the cosine times the cosine of the tangent of x. And now we're going to multiply by the derivative with respect to x now of the middle. So the middle now starts at cosine. So it's going to be the cosine of the tangent x. So when we take the derivative of that, we're going to have f prime of x, which is equal to the cosine times the cosine of the tangent of x times, well, okay, here what we're doing is now we're taking the derivative of the middle, which is this cosine here. So what is the derivative of the cosine? Well, we know the derivative of the cosine is negative sine, and then what's left is the tangent of x. Okay, and now what we want to do is now we're going to take the derivative of the third, which is the tangent of x. So now we're going to take the derivative of the third here. So what that means is we want to find the derivative of the tangent of x. So let's go ahead and write that. So we have f prime of x is equal to, well, if we take this negative, we can bring that to the beginning, so it's going to be negative times the cosine times the cosine of the tangent of x times the sine of the tangent of x, and then times, well, what is the derivative of the tangent of x? Well, we know that that is secant squared x. And so therefore, that is the derivative of our function.